Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find friends on Bigo Live. If you'd like to find some of your friends on Bigo Live so that you can connect to them, watch their live broadcast, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by tapping open your Bigo Live application from the app drawer. Make sure you're signed into your account, and once you are, from the home page, go to the search icon at the top right corner. Tap it on, and this will take you to this page. From this page, at the top of the screen, you'll be able to see a search box. Simply go ahead and type in a username of one of your friends that you'd like to follow, or you can also type in their ID, their live title, in order to search for them. Let me go ahead and type in a username over here. Once you type in a username, you'll be able to find the search result for your search into the relevant host category. Simply tap open the person that you are trying to find. As soon as you open up a profile, you'll be able to see this kind of an interface. And there you have found a profile of one of your friends that you'd like to follow on Bigo Live. You can now tap on the follow back button at the bottom left corner to follow them. If you'd like to start a chat, tap on the chat button and start connecting. I hope you learned how to find friends on Bigo Live so that you can follow and start connecting with them. If you liked the video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.